Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. How are all? I am fit and fine. Today I will discuss about alphabet A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. British pronunciation A and American pronunciation R. S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z or G. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.